Hey everybody, it's Dee from DOUBLEBEE Crafty Creations, and I did something I was not going to do, and I ordered a couple more knitting machines. So I got this little mushroom one, and then I ordered the Addy machine, and we'll see how it rolls. Well, I screwed up and didn't hit record when I was unboxing this, but it's very similar to the Sentro that I have. There's the white peg. It looks very similar. And then I'm guessing this is just decoration. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe it is. Anyway, so it came with the suction cups, the crochet hook, the darning needles, and some yarn to play with. Yeah, so I got this to do smaller projects, and we'll see how it goes, and we'll see you soon.